Hi, and welcome to Sellerwiz video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to export leads from the Chrome extension to your Google Sheet. First, if you do not have a Google Sheet, create a brand new one. Then perform a search on Amazon. You will immediately see the Sellerwiz extension. Next, click the menu icon, and then Settings. Then go back to your Google Sheet and copy and paste its ID into Settings. Now, sign in with Google. A message will be prompted asking for permission. Click the Allow button. We will not have to perform this step again. Go back to Settings. Make sure you align your Google Sheet columns to Sellerwiz columns. Your Google Sheet column A is the topmost field here. You can drag up and down the fields to your liking and hit Save. Next, go back to the Amazon page and click Menu, then Export. Last, go to your Google Sheet and you will see your data automatically populated. I hope you enjoyed our video tutorial. Thank you for watching.